So, welcome to round 3 of the Porsche Championship, and this is the supercar pageant at Oulton Park. There are, you can't see them here, but there are thousands of cars out there. Porsche, Ferrari are racing this week here. Should be a really good day, and unbelievably we've actually got some sun, which is a first for me at Oulton Park. So 4 cars running, let's see how we get on. Should be a great day. Congratulations to you and your team.
Thank you very much.
That was an engine that blew up last night. You guys were here till midnight. Admittedly, we've just missed qualifying, but they've allowed us to go in the second qualifying session. So a huge well done, because somehow or another, you've managed to save his day. All right, so unbelievably well done. Now let's concentrate on everybody else's car and have a great day. But thank you, Talha, T, Quentin, and in particular you, because you're head of everything. So really well done. Much. And no more going around the thingy at 10:30 at night. I got a bollocking for that. So, race 1 finished. All 3 cars in Boxster Cup finished, with David winning the old bastard third place. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. So, congratulations, well done. Silverware.
Really?
Apparently.
Oh, that'll be good.
You have to go and get it.
It
will
worth
come down a flat. No. And you've done all right. You finished where?
11th.
11th, so that's not bad.
Not bad. It's my best finish.
Carelessly, we've lost Lewis.
Mad
which is very, and at 6'12", you wouldn't think he's the easiest to lose, would you really? But I mean, nice that all cars stay together. Lewis had a little contact, but it survived. And then I went out in this, didn't get off the best start, and finished 5th. So it didn't move forward, didn't move backwards. But we now look forward to a nice lunch, which we might have already had, and race 2. So let's see what goes on in race 2. So you've all got to move forward in race 2.
Well,
in a big way
for the top 10.
Yeah.
Top 10.
Join me in the old gits.
Yeah. You're an old git. I'm a very old git. So
I'm the youngest, by the way.
Yeah, by about a week. 5:15, last race. Very tired, very hot. The 3 boys have been playing. They've bashed themselves up a bit, but let's go and see what we can do. See you soon.
Better late than never. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you. Who you want me to be? Do I wanna be you? Is it only a dream? Is it only a dream?
So that's it, festival done. Was lying in 3rd with a few laps to go, but tyres got somewhat skiddy, and unfortunately I slipped to 5th. But I enjoyed it, I had a great time. The 3 lads hopefully had a good time. Everybody's getting packed up, 3-hour journey home. Next it's Anglesey, which I'm going to miss because I'm 60, having a week off, and then we'll see you all at Silverstone. But thanks for coming, everyone.